Hey everyone, want to make money while you sleep? Passive income is the way to go, and 2024 offers some fantastic opportunities. Let's dive in. First, consider rental properties. Real estate is a tried and true way to earn passive income. If buying property isn't an option, look into real estate crowdfunding platforms. Next, think about dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. It's like getting a paycheck just for owning stock. Create a digital product. This could be an ebook, online course, or software. Once it's made, you can sell it over and over without additional work. Peer-to-peer lending is another option. You lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your loans. Affiliate marketing is huge. Promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Once you have a steady stream of traffic, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and product sales. Invest in a high-yield savings account or CDs. They're low risk and offer better returns than a regular savings account. Lastly, consider creating an app if it becomes popular. The revenue from ads or in-app purchases can be substantial. The key to passive income is to start now. Choose one or two ideas and put them into action. Subscribe for more passive income strategies and let's build wealth together.